Setting up Netflix on your YouView Box in 2025 requires meeting several key prerequisites before you can begin the installation process. First, you need an active Netflix subscription and a compatible YouView Box with a stable internet connection of at least 5 megabits per second for HD streaming. The setup process varies depending on your specific YouView device manufacturer. BT TV boxes offer the most comprehensive Netflix integration, while other manufacturers may have limited support. For BT TV YouView boxes, start by navigating to the Apps section from your main menu. Look for Netflix in the Entertainment Apps section and select Install. Once Netflix is installed and launched, you have two sign-in options. You can enter your Netflix email and password directly, or use the TV code method for easier authentication. After successful sign-in, select your Netflix profile to complete the setup process. Your Netflix content will now be accessible through your YouView Box interface. When Netflix isn't working properly on your YouView Box, there are several common issues and solutions to try. Let's explore the most effective troubleshooting steps. The first common problem is when the Netflix app doesn't appear in your YouView App Store. This usually indicates a compatibility issue with your specific device model. Login failures are another common issue. The most reliable solution is using the TV code method, where you scan a QR code or enter a code on your phone or computer. Poor streaming quality is often related to internet speed or connection stability. Testing your internet speed and using a wired Ethernet connection can significantly improve performance. For optimal Netflix performance, tech experts recommend several key optimization strategies. Always update your YouView firmware before installing Netflix, and use an Ethernet connection for the most stable experience. If your YouView box isn't compatible with Netflix, don't worry. There are excellent alternative streaming devices available, such as Amazon Fire TV Stick or Roku Ultra, which offer full Netflix support. Remember these key troubleshooting steps. Check compatibility first, use the TV code login method, ensure a stable internet connection, and keep your firmware updated. With these solutions, you should be able to enjoy Netflix seamlessly on your YouView box.